gugma ko kanimo, murag biko na isagulatik pero way sagul atik so sagpaon ti kag biko noon. Di magay kakaila og lobe.
DJ Bands, guwapo, guwapo.
Pakutsa-kutsara ka pa. Feeling social. OFW nga. Kamay lang. Masaya na.
Sabi nila ang galing ko daw manamit. Di nila alam mas magaling ako pag walang damit.
Pinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
Maot daw ko kay tambok. Gilingin ako ang istorya. Dili sa tambok, pero maot.
Lab,
Unsa man?
anak ta.
Unsa yung anak?
Anak-anak good.
Sabi nila ang galing ko daw manamit. Di nila alam mas magaling ako pag walang damit.
pinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
Ang gugma ko kanimo, murag biko na isagulatik pero way sagul atik so sagpaon ti kag biko noon. Di magay kakaila og lobe.
DJ Bands, guwapo, guwapo.
Lato-lato? Hindi ako marunong yan. Ana-ana? Magaling ako dyan.
Nakakapagod ng mag-TikTok. Halika, mahalin mo uli ako.
Sige, susubo ko. Pero ulo lang ah.
Ayoko, gusto ko lahat.
Lo! Pati itlog!
If you have Filipina girlfriend,
Tension, problem, depression, headache. Every day need Panadol, Panadol, Panadol.
if you have Filipina girlfriend,
Tension, problem,
That's true. Filipino are tension, problems, headache, and she might kick your ass if she notices that you're playing with her or you are a playboy. But if you're honest with her, believe me, she will change your whole life. You will be the most successful person. At least you will be healthy and she will care you a lot. She will never let you out with a messy dress or your looking is not good or your smell is not good. By my experience, be honest with the Filipino, either being friends or being a wife, a husband, or a girlfriend. Be honest with them. They will treasure you and they're gonna change your life. Thank you.
Sayang. Muntik na ako maging maganda.
O, lantaw man ka. Paamping ka?
Dali aras panahon no. Sa una gwapa ko. Karon kay ni samot man.